Welcome to the AI Opus, or as we like to call it, TAO. I'm Sarah, and I'm here with Mike. Hey, Mike, how's it going today?
Hey Sarah, I'm great, ready for another whirlwind tour through the latest in AI. There's a lot happening, isn't there?
Oh, absolutely. The past 24 hours have been packed with updates, from big tech launches to funding news and some intriguing regulatory moves. Shall we dive right in?
Let's do it. What's first on the agenda?
Let's kick things off with OpenAI. They've just released their new GPT Image 1 Multimodal Model via API. That means developers can now generate images from text, do detailed edits, and even specify different art styles, all programmatically.
That's pretty cool. So are businesses actually using this yet, or is it more of a demo thing?
Oh, it's getting real traction. Companies like Adobe, Figma, and Airtable are already integrating this API into their creative and marketing workflows. So you might see this tech in action next time you're working on a design or collaborating on a project.
That sounds like some serious industry adoption. What about safety concerns? Generating images brings up lots of questions.
Good point. OpenAI has built-in safety features and it's globally available with token-based pricing, so they're trying to balance access with responsibility.
Got it. And I heard something about an open model from OpenAI as well.
Yes, they're planning to release a new permissively licensed reasoning model this summer, their first since GPT-2. That means it'll be open for the community to use, modify, and build on. They're aiming to hit the top open model benchmarks, but they're still finalizing safety testing and details.
That's big for the open source AI crowd. Anything on the coding assistant front?
Absolutely. Windsurf, an AI coding assistant, has just dropped their prices and made billing simpler. They're also collaborating more closely with OpenAI, and there are rumors they might get acquired. This could spark a price war with Cursor, another AI coding tool.
Speaking of big players, what's Microsoft up to?
Microsoft has been busy with Copilot 365 updates. They've rolled out a unified search that pulls from third-party sources. Think Google Drive, Slack, all those places where your files live.
So I can search across all my apps at once? That's something I've wished for.
Exactly. Plus, the new Create feature uses GPT-4o for in-app image generation, and there's an agent store for partner integrations. Copilot notebooks are also new, giving you real-time insights from your data streams, all in a chat-first interface.
Love that they're making AI more accessible every day.
Shifting gears to Databricks, they're investing $250 million in India over the next 3 years, focusing on AI and data innovation.
Wow, that's a hefty investment. What's the plan there?
They're expanding their R&D center in Bengaluru, planning to increase their workforce by over 50%. Plus, they're launching the India Data Plus AI Academy to train 500,000 professionals in data and AI skills.
That could have a huge impact on the talent pipeline.
And speaking of Indian tech, Persistent Systems just released their Q4 results. Revenue and net profit both jumped 25% year over year, marking their 20th straight quarter of growth.
20 straight quarters. That's impressive. Is AI a big part of that?
Definitely. AI-led deals are a key driver, and they're on track for $2 billion in annual revenue by fiscal year 2027.
What about the next generation of voice assistants? I heard Perplexity has something new.
They sure do. Perplexity has launched a new iOS voice assistant that not only browses the web, but can also perform multi-app actions, like making reservations or sending emails. You can activate it via the iPhone action button on supported models, and there's already an Android version out.
So it's taking on Siri directly.
Exactly. They're positioning themselves as a smarter alternative. Accenture's making moves too. They've just acquired Talent Sprint, a deep tech education provider. About 210 employees, including the leadership team, are joining Accenture's LearnVantage program.
What's the end game here?
It's all about strengthening their training in AI, data science, and cybersecurity. This is part of Accenture's $1 billion investment in upskilling tech talent.
Telecom time. What's happening with Vodafone Idea and Cisco?
They've partnered up to deploy Cisco's IP MPLS technology, upgrading Vodafone Idea's 4G and 5G transport network for better scalability, reliability, and automation. The goal is faster, more stable, and secure networks, especially for enterprises. Adobe's been busy too. Their new image model 4, vector model, and video model are now generally available. Plus, they've launched a new Firefly web app that brings together multiple AI generators, including those from OpenAI and Google.
That sounds like a creative powerhouse. Anything for protecting creator rights?
Yes, Adobe's new Content Credentials tool lets creators embed standardized metadata into images, so you can prove authorship and set usage preferences even for non-Adobe files.
Hugging Face is in the news as well, right?
Right? They've introduced the Hugging Face Energy Estimator, a tool that estimates how much energy your AI model is using per message. It even compares it to household appliances, making the abstract idea of AI energy use more relatable.
That's a fun way to raise awareness about AI's environmental impact.
Dropbox has rolled out a major AI search update called Dropbox Dash. It now understands content across audio, video, images, and people, and there are new AI writing tools as well. Plus, it integrates deeply with apps like Slack, Zoom, and Figma, and adds new admin controls for sensitive documents.
So searching in Dropbox just got way smarter.
On the research front, Anthropic announced a model welfare program. They're exploring questions about whether AI models could ever be conscious or have moral considerations, even though the science is still very much up for debate.
That's pretty philosophical. Are there practical implications, or is it more for academic discussion right now?
Right now, it's more exploratory, but it signals that companies are thinking ahead about the ethics of advanced AI. Over in the energy sector, Engie's CEO, Catherine McGregor, is emphasizing the need for resilient electrification and AI-powered data centers, especially in light of U.S. tariff risks. She's calling for more renewables in these projects.
Data centers and renewables, a crucial combo as AI demand grows.
In the world of autonomous vehicles, Pony AI, a leading robotaxi firm from China, says that U.S. trade tariffs might slow their global expansion, particularly in South Korea and the Middle East. However, they say their supply chain isn't too affected, and they're ramping up production in China with eyes on a NASDAQ listing.
Sounds like global politics are really shaping the AI landscape.
Regulatory news out of South Korea. DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup, got caught transferring user prompts overseas without consent. The country's Privacy Commission is now requiring corrective measures and a new consent framework.
Data privacy is definitely front and center around the world.
Back to India, big news from the government's India AI mission. Several startups have been selected for major AI projects. Sarvam AI is developing a massive 70 billion parameter multimodal model supporting Indian languages. Soket AI is building an open-source Indic language model with 120 billion parameters. Nani.ai and Gan.ai are also in the first cohort, and the government is providing compute infrastructure to support these efforts.
That's massive. Indian languages have been underserved in AI, so this could be a real game changer.
WNS, a business process company, reported Q4 results. Revenue is flat, but profit is up significantly. They acquired Kippy.ai to boost their AI and data capabilities, and they're forecasting up to 11% revenue growth for next year.
Nice to see AI acquisitions driving growth.
Wipro just announced a new GitHub Center of Excellence in Bengaluru under their AI 360 strategy. The idea is to integrate GitHub tools and AI-enabled Copilot into their developer workflow, plus training and community building.
Sounds like they're really investing in developer productivity.
Tata Consultancy Services TCS has 3 new offerings: a data-resident sovereign secure cloud for regulated sectors, an AI-powered low-code platform called DigiBolt, and a cyber defense suite for advanced threat detection and response.
So they're targeting security and rapid AI app development.
Tech Mahindra posted Q4 results too. Their profit is up even though revenue's a bit flat, but they've got strong deal wins for the year ahead. They're also deepening their AI integration and participating in Project Indus, which aims to advance Indic languages in AI.
More evidence that Indian IT is going all in on AI.
Finally, L&T Technology Services else reported a 9% drop in net profit year over year, but revenue is up 17.5%. Their dollar revenue growth is over 13%, and they've got a strong pipeline of large AI and automation deals. Their medium-term goal? Hit $2 billion in revenue.
So, some ups and downs, but the momentum is clearly toward more AI.
That was a lot of news. Anything stand out for you, Mike?
Honestly, I'm amazed at how quickly AI is being woven into everything, from creative tools to telecom and even regulation. And the investments in training and language diversity are super encouraging.
Absolutely. It's an exciting time, and the pace just keeps picking up. Well, that's a wrap for today's TAO. Thanks for joining us for your daily dose of AI news and funding updates.
Thanks, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you again soon on the AI Opus, TAO.
Take care and stay curious.